Hello friends. Welcome to our online shopping 24 channel. Hope you are well. Friends, in this video you can see, portable 300 milliliters electric air humidifier aroma, oil diffuser USB cool mist sprayer with colorful night light for home car. Friends, if you like our videos, subscribe to our channel now to get the next video first. In this channel you will find many kinds of products, such as children's toys, pants shirts, girls and pants shirts, all kinds of beauty parts of girls. You will find many more types of products in our channel. If anyone likes our product, then order now. For details please follow the link. Click the link on the description box below. Thanks so much. Friends, we are submit only most popular and new product. In our online shopping 24 channel you can see, women new fashion product, home decoration, electronic, men fashion, baby kid and toys, kitchen accessories, and other recent popular available product. Friends, subscribe now to get the video of the new product in our channel. Friends, the videos of all the products that are in our channel you will find many products of your choice. For example, children's toys will get many kinds of things, then your shirt paint, mobile, watch, girls 3 pitches, Orna, row, order now to order, online shopping 24 channels, click the description box below. Friend, if you want details, please check the video description box below. How about our video? Please let us know in comment. Friends, for everyday new videos, please subscribe the online shopping 24 channel. Thank you so much. Friends, please for watching the video. Friends, subscribe to get the next video. Thanks you everyone.